Children, today we have to start exercise 11.4 and question number 4. Okay, so let's do it. Question 4. So the question says, a veranda of width 2.25 meters is constructed along outside a room. Like suppose and room is in the form of rectangle. So if suppose this is the floor of the room, so it is constructed outside. So like this it is constructed, okay, and its width is 2.25 meters. Everywhere it is 2.25. We all know what is a veranda, where generally we keep space out of our room or out of our house to sit or to walk, okay. So like out of our classes also we have verandas, yes, out of 7th ABCD we have verandas, right, where when we come out, okay, that space. So this room, this is the room, children, this is the floor. If you in very easy language if we'll talk, so this is the floor of the room, okay, whose length and breadth is given. So what is the length, children? Length is 5.5 meters. Long means length, and wide, that is the breadth, is 4 meters. So this is the floor of the room, who is 5.5 meters long, 4 meters broad, and a veranda is constructed of width 2.25 meters. That is, this is also 2.25 meters. This length is also 2.25 meters. This distance is also 2.25 meters. Okay, children? Now what we have to do, let's see what is asked in the question. Find the area of the veranda. That means we have to find this area. Okay, this, if I shade it or highlight it like this, then we have to find this area of the veranda, okay. And there is a second part also of the question. The first part we have to find the area. The second part is the cost of cementing the floor. Means the floor has to be cemented. Cemented means it has to be the layer of cement has to be put on the veranda, okay. So for that, the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So why do we cement the veranda? To make it concrete, okay, so that it's very easy to walk or to sit, or like for whatever purpose we have, or the person is constructing the veranda. Now the cementing cost is given, children, rupees 200 per meter square. Rupees 200 per meter square means for 1 meter square the amount is rupees 200. So what will be the cost of the entire area? Entire area, that means the area of cementing. And what are we cementing? We are cementing the veranda, okay. That means we have to find out the cost of the area of veranda, okay, because we will be cementing the veranda. So for that we need to know the area of the veranda again. That means this cementing also depends upon this area only, children, okay. But how? Let's see how. Now this suppose, now this is what, rupees 200 for 1 meter. Rupees 200 for per meter means 1 meter square. Okay. And how much rupees for entire area? Now this entire area will be obviously greater than this 1 meter square. Right. That means it will be many. Right. This will be many. So cost of 1 is given. Cost of many is asked. What we will do? We will multiply to find the cost of the entire area. Okay. So what to do? First we find the new length and new breadth. Okay. And then we find the area of the veranda and then we find the cost of cementing. Okay. Now for finding the area, going back to the first step children, for finding the area of this veranda, we will have to find out the area of this rectangle, the new rectangle formed, correct? And from this area of the new rectangle, if we remove this area, then we will come to know the highlighted area. Yes, that means area of the new rectangle minus the area of the room. Okay. For that we need to know the area of the new rectangle. The length and breadth of the new rectangle. Yes. So let's see how we can get the length and breadth of the new rectangle. Now we know. Let's go to the length. We know this much is 5.5. Correct? We need to know this and this. Right? This and this distance is already given as 2.25. So let's write it. 2.25. 2.25. Okay? So the new length or the length of the new rectangle is 2.25 plus 5.5 plus 2.25. Okay. Now going to the breadth. We know this much distance is 4 meters. This much is 4 meters. Correct? And this much is how much? This much we have already discussed that it is 2.25 meters. So this much is 2.25 meters. And we have also discussed that this much area is this much distance is 2.25. That means this is also 2.25. So the new breadth formed will be 2.25 plus 4 plus 2.25. This. Okay. So the new length and the new breadth. Now new length and new breadth of the new rectangle. From where are we getting this new rectangle? When we are constructing the floor. Right? Because it is written outside and 2.25 meters wide everywhere. All the four sides 2.25 meters it is wide. Okay. So now we got the new length and new breadth of the room along with the veranda. Okay. So we find the area of the room with veranda and we also find the area of the room and then we subtract the two areas. Okay. We subtract the two areas and we get only the area of the veranda. This much area. Correct? Okay. After that we will find the cost of cementing and we have discussed that also children. What have we discussed? That the rate of 1 meter square is rupees 200. So what is the rate for entire area? 1 is given, many is asked. Okay. So suppose if this is 1000. So for 1 meter is 200 and so for 1000 will be 1000 into 2. Okay. So whatever is the area, we multiply it with rupees 200. Okay. So let's go ahead children. Let's start Why I couldn't erase it? It's a permanent marker. Will it go? Yes, it will. I got scared, children. Okay. So now whatever is given, we are going to write that. So what is given? The length and breadth of the room and the length and breadth of the room along with the veranda. So let's write that. Before that, I'll just erase this diagram. If you want, y'all can take the screenshot, okay, and y'all can write it in the rough. Oh, it is not going with this. Chalo, I'll think about it later. Let's do what we have to write. So we have to write the length and breadth of the room and then find the area of the room. So what is the length of the room, children? 5.5 meters. What is the breadth? 4 meters. 1 minute, I'll move aside and then you can see. That is length into breadth, which is 5.5 meters into 4 meters, which gives us 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 22. 22.0 meter square. This is the length and the breadth of the room. Now we have to find the length and breadth of the room along with the veranda. So I am writing length of room with veranda. Breadth of room with veranda. Now what is the length of room with veranda? That is 2.25 plus 5.5 plus 2.25. So let's check how much it will come. 10.0 meters. And breadth of the room 2.25 plus 4 plus 2.25. So children, I am adding it here. 2.25 plus 4 plus 2.25 and 8.50. Now we find the area of the room with veranda. That is length into breadth. That is 10.00 instead of 00. I am leaving it. So into 8.5. Now this becomes 850 and one place decimal, so 85 meter square. Now children, we have to find the area of the veranda only. For that we subtract the two areas which we have found. Okay, so let's start. Area of veranda is equal to area of room with veranda minus area of room only, right? So let's do it. Area of room with veranda, that is this one, 85 meter square minus 22 meter square. So this gives us, children, 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 8 minus 2 gives us 6. So this is 63 meters square. Only the area of the veranda. Now what to do? We have to find the cost of cementing. So let's write what is given, that we will write. What is given, children? Cost of cementing for 1 square meter area. Okay, so let's write cost of cementing. Children, if you want, you can write cost of cementing the veranda. Okay, so that is also correct. That's not wrong. Cost of cementing the veranda, which is equal to veranda for 1 meter square area, which is equal to rupees 200. Okay, now we have to find the entire veranda's area. Cost of cementing the entire area of veranda. For that, we multiply rupees 200 into area of who? Veranda. So that is equal to rupees 200 into 63 meters square. So 00, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is rupees 12,600. Children, there are two answers. Remember, one, the area of the veranda, that is 63 meters square, and the other one, that is the cost of cementing the veranda, that is rupees 12,600. Complete your work till here.